A skyscraper is not necessarily a gray rectangular box made of glass and concrete. Modern architects show wonders of creativity by constructing multi-meter buildings of the most incredible shapes. From the outside, it might appear that such unique structures simply cannot be stable. However, most of these skyscrapers are able to withstand an earthquake of about 9 points. Today, we will tell you about the latest and most unusual skyscrapers in the world. Enjoy watching. The Revolution Tower, a unique spiral skyscraper in Panama City, as well as one of the most twisted skyscrapers in the world. The F&F Tower, also known as the Revolution Tower, is a commercial building in the business district of Panama and the first spiral-shaped skyscraper in Latin America. The rotation from the base to the spire of the tower is 360 degrees. The construction of the 52-story concrete building, reaching a height of 242 meters, was carried out by Panamanian architects over a span of 5 years, and it took another 4 years for it to be put into operation in 2011. The skyscraper is clad in panels of saturated green color that reflect the sun. It is visible from all points of the country's capital, which has made the tower one of the brightest city attractions. In Milan, one of the most polluted cities in Europe, there is an extraordinary residential complex called Bosco Vertical Forest. This is not a figure of speech, but rather 2 high-rise buildings completely covered with plants. The vertical forest was constructed from 2009 to 2014, according to the design by architects Stefano Boeri and his colleagues Gianandrea Barreca and Giovanni Lavera. They designed 2 buildings, 80 and 111 meters tall, equivalent to 18 and 27 floors respectively, featuring numerous wide balconies and terraces equipped with special containers. For 3 years, plants with small root systems but wind-resistant qualities were selected. In April 2012, plants started to be planted in the containers. This process continues to this day. Currently, there are about 900 trees and 5,000 shrubs grow on the balconies and roofs of both buildings. There are also 11,000 paths and platforms for herbs, about 1,000 plant species in total. It's estimated that about 1,600 species of birds and insects, primarily butterflies, inhabit the vertical forest. The total planted area covers 4 hectares. The cost of apartments in Bosco Vertical ranges from 500,000 to 1.7 million euros. The Aldar headquarters building is a business center and the world's first circular skyscraper located in Abu Dhabi. The construction incorporates eco-friendly and energy-efficient technologies. The building, standing at a height of 120 meters, comprises 23 floors with a total interior area of 61,900 square meters. It holds the prestigious award for Best Futuristic Design. The headquarters of the construction company Aldar Properties, responsible for erecting the Aldar HQ building, is also situated here. Beneath Aldar HQ, there is an underground vacuum system that collects all waste from the building. The waste is then directed to a local transfer station for recycling or compacting, eliminating the need for daily garbage collection and disposal by waste trucks. This system is the first of its kind in Abu Dhabi and serves as a model for many other projects of similar scale. In the bustling city of Abu Dhabi, there are indeed many impressive buildings, and the circular skyscraper Aldar HQ is undoubtedly one of them. This structure is highly intriguing, and on a clear day, it looks simply fantastic. In 2016, the largest skyscraper in Bangkok was constructed, Mahatanakon, which stands 10 meters taller than the renowned Bioki Sky Tower. Its height is 314 meters, with a total of 78 floors. Over $600 million were invested in its construction. The project was carried out by the renowned architect Ole Sheeran from Germany. Mahatanakon is not just a building, it is a commercial and entertainment complex with an area of 10,000 square meters, featuring a restaurant, an observation deck, a 159-room hotel, and a condominium with 209 units. The main difference between this landmark from other Bangkok skyscrapers is its shape. Firstly, it does not have a plinth, and secondly, a spiral passes through the entire building from top to bottom, resembling what has been dubbed as pixels. As a result, the building appears partially deconstructed. According to the architect's explanation, this form connects the skyscraper's residents with the external world and facilitates interaction with it. Turning Torso is an extraordinary and memorable skyscraper located in Malmö, Sweden, situated on the Swedish side of the Öresund Strait. The Turning Torso building was designed by the Spanish architect Santiago Calatrava and officially opened on August 27, 2005. The 54-story tower reaches a height of 190 meters. Upon completion, the building became the tallest in Scandinavia, the tallest residential building in the European Union, and the second tallest residential building in Europe after Moscow's 264-meter Triumph Palace. The tower project is based on Santiago Calatrava's sculpture titled Twisting Torso. It consists of 9 segments, 5-story pentagons that twist as they ascend. The uppermost segment is rotated 90 degrees clockwise relative to the ground floor. The Kingdom Center Tower is a skyscraper located in the heart of Riyadh. Construction of the tower was completed in 2002, and since then, it has become one of the tallest buildings in Saudi Arabia with 99 floors. The tower houses shopping centers, hotels, offices, and luxurious apartments. With a height of 302 meters and a distinctive inverted parabolic arch, it stands out among numerous skyscrapers and tall buildings. The highlight of the tower is the 65-meter sky bridge located at the top of the skyscraper. This sky bridge takes the form of a closed corridor with windows on both sides. The bridge offers a wonderful view of the Riyadh skyline that cannot be seen from anywhere else. While the daytime offers a great view of the surrounding area, the nighttime view is even more mesmerizing, with the city lights resembling tiny stars in the darkness. The Al Mamluka Shopping Center is located in the eastern wing, housing over 150 stores. The western wing is dedicated to entertainment, featuring a Vox Cinema with a VIP lounge and waiter service, as well as high-quality audio and video to provide the best viewing experience. Architects from Wuhan have completely transformed the traditional perception of skyscrapers. In the Park Royal high-rise in Singapore, they managed to incorporate twice as much greenery as in the nearby Hong Lim Park. This is because the skyscraper, housing hotels and offices, is surrounded by vertical gardens and lush green terraces, totaling 15,000 square meters of greenery. According to the architect's concept, the skyscraper is adorned with trees, vines, palms, and various other types of plants, which not only help conceal parking lots from view, but also purify the air from various emissions. Park Royal is not a skyscraper in its conventional sense. It's jungles soaring into the sky, inhabited not by tigers, elephants, or pythons, but by businessmen and office workers. Architectural fantasies know no bounds. Each new masterpiece evokes astonishment, admiration, and a lot of controversy. The unique Raffles City Chongqing complex with its horizontal crystalline crown is no exception. This breathtaking structure is located at the confluence of the Yangtze and Jialing rivers in China and comprises 8 skyscrapers, featuring a distinctive observation deck. The giant tower complex is assembled on a shared platform resembling a 5-story podium. The buildings vary in height, with 6 mid-rise towers reaching just over 200 meters, while 2 giants soar to a height of 354 meters. At the base, there are shops, car showrooms, exhibition halls, a grocery supermarket, and parking facilities. The skyscrapers accommodate private apartments, offices, commercial spaces, and a hotel. The crowning jewel, the Raffles City Crystal, features a suspended transparent bridge, known as the Crystal, boasting a unique observation deck and an ultra-modern sky park. Raffles City Chongqing represents 8 years of meticulous work, a complex construction process, and an investment of 24 billion yuan. With the shape and height of skyscrapers, it's hard to surprise anyone nowadays. However, there is one exceptional skyscraper, the Steinway Tower. Not the largest or tallest, but it stands out from the rest. The Steinway Tower is the thinnest skyscraper on Earth, built in New York back in 2019. This building majestically rises in Manhattan near Central Park, visible from any point in the city. Cutting-edge technologies were employed in its creation, allowing such a slender structure, standing at a height of 435 meters, to remain standing and not fall down. The facade is designed in an unconventional style, reminiscent of the historical architecture of early 19th century New York. The building itself is constructed based on symbolic towers that were prominently used during the city's development in the early 20th century. The thinnest skyscraper, when comparing width to height, boasts a ratio of 1:24. It is precisely this measurement that makes it the world's thinnest skyscraper. Nevertheless, it holds the 38th position in the ranking of the world's tallest buildings. In 2015, the Shanghai Tower opened in Shanghai, the most eco-friendly, expensive, and second tallest building on Earth. The project was conceived by the American architectural firm Gensler's Design, taking 6 years to complete with a construction budget of $2.5 billion. From its very inception, the Shanghai Tower became a major landmark and symbol of the city, annually attracting around 2.8 million travelers. The tower is located in the Pudong district, which 20 years ago was a quiet agricultural area. The creators of the tower refer to their creation as a self-contained city, since the skyscraper is equipped with everything necessary for autonomous living. It generates its own energy, has its own transportation hub, and a fully developed infrastructure. The 632-meter-tall structure boasts 128 floors and currently stands as China's tallest building, ranking among the top 3 tallest buildings globally. The highest accessible point of the Shanghai Tower is located at an altitude of 561.3 meters. To reach it, Mitsubishi developed a special elevator that accelerates to 64 kilometers per hour, making it the second fastest elevator on the planet. Write in the comments which of these unusual skyscrapers you like the most. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the Kara Show channel. Also, on our channel, there are many other interesting videos. See you later.